Many English learners know words, but they cannot talk about their country in English.
Oh, that happens to me. I know the words, but I don't know how to put them together.
Don't worry. Today you will learn simple sentences about your country. By the end, you will speak about it easily and confidently.
Yes, let's go.
Welcome to English Ignited. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah. Hi, everyone.
Today's topic is talking about your country. This is one of the most common topics in English conversations. People ask you, "Where are you from?" or "Tell me about your country."
And I never know what to say after I am from.
Exactly. So today we fix that. We learn simple, useful sentences, sentences you can use right away.
I like that. Right away.
Okay, let's start with the basics. The first thing people ask is, where is your country? Listen to this sentence. Sentence number 1. My country is in Asia.
My country is in Asia. Oh, I can change Asia to anywhere, right?
Exactly right. You can say Africa, Europe, South America, anywhere. The sentence stays the same, only the place changes.
So I can say my country is in Africa.
Perfect. Now sentence 2. It is a big country.
It is a big country. Simple.
And if your country is small, you say,
Oh, it is a small country.
good job. Now sentence 3. My country is near the ocean.
My country is near the ocean. What if it's not near the ocean?
Good question. You can say, my country is near the mountains, or my country is near a big river.
Ah, I see. Near, near. Near the mountains, near the ocean. I like that word, near.
It is a very useful word. Okay, sentence 4. Many people live in my country.
Many people live in my country. What if not many people live there?
Then you say, not many people live in my country, or my country has a small population.
Population. What does that mean?
Population means the number of people in a place. So, a big population means many people. A small population means fewer people.
Oh, population. Okay, I think I've got it.
Great. Let's move to sentence 5. We speak English in my country.
We speak English in my country. And I can change English to Spanish, French.
Exactly. Whatever language your country speaks. Some countries have more than one language, too.
Really? More than one?
Yes, some countries have 2, 3, even more official languages.
Wow. Okay. We speak. I like this sentence.
Now, let's talk about the weather and nature. This is a very popular topic. People love asking about the weather in other countries.
Oh, yes. My teacher always talks about the weather.
Sentence 6. The weather is usually warm in my country.
The weather is usually warm in my country. Usually. That's a long word.
Let me break it down. Usually. Usually.
Usually.
Well done. Usually means most of the time. Not always, but most of the time.
Usually. Most of the time. Got it.
And you can change warm to cold, hot, rainy, dry, whatever describes your country.
The weather is usually cold in my country, for people in cold places.
Exactly. Sentence 7. It rains a lot in my country.
It rains a lot in my country. Simple and clear.
And if it doesn't rain much,
It does not rain a lot in my country?
perfect. Or you can say, my country is very dry. Both are correct.
Ah, I see.
Sentence 8. There are beautiful mountains in my country.
There are beautiful mountains in my country. Ooh, I love mountains.
And you can change mountains to beaches, forests, deserts, rivers, lakes.
There are beautiful beaches in my country. There are beautiful forests in my country.
You're on a roll, Sarah.
Hey, what does on a roll mean?
It means you are doing very well, one thing after another.
Oh, I am on a roll. Listener, are you on a roll too?
I hope so. Sentence 19. My country has many green forests.
My country has many green forests. I like has here. My country has.
Yes, my country has is a very useful phrase. You can use it for many things. My country has beautiful beaches. My country has friendly people. My country has delicious food.
Ooh, food. Can we do food sentences?
Soon, but first, sentence 10. The nature in my country is very beautiful.
The nature in my country is very beautiful. That's a nice sentence.
It is, and it works for any country because every country has something beautiful in nature.
That's true. Even small countries.
Even small countries. Well said. Okay, now let's talk about cities and people. Sentence 11. The capital city is very busy.
The capital city is very busy. What is a capital city?
A capital city is the most important city in a country. It is usually where the government is.
Oh, like the main city.
Exactly. And busy means full of people and activity, always moving.
The capital city is very busy. Yes, I can imagine it.
Sentence 12. Many tourists visit my country.
Many tourists visit my country. What is a tourist?
A tourist is a person who travels to visit a new place. They come to see, explore, and enjoy.
Oh, so when I travel to another country, I am a tourist.
Exactly right. You are a tourist.
Cool. Many tourists visit my country. I like that sentence.
Sentence 13. The people in my country are very friendly.
The people in my country are very friendly. Let's hope that's true everywhere.
Well, in most places, people are kind. Sentence 14. We have many traditions in my country.
We have many traditions. What are traditions?
Traditions are special things that people do again and again, passed from parents to children, like special food, music, celebrations, clothing.
Oh, like festivals and dances.
Exactly. Traditions make every country unique. Unique. Unique means one of a kind, special.
Unique. My country is unique.
Every country is unique. And sentence 15, I am proud of my country.
I am proud of my country. Proud. What does proud mean?
Proud means you feel happy and good about something. You love it and you respect it.
Oh, I am proud of my country. That feels like a warm sentence.
It does. It is a great sentence to end a conversation about your country.
That felt great.
So, Sarah, imagine someone asks you, tell me about your country. What do you say?
Okay, ready.
So, tell me about your country.
Well, my country is in Asia. It is a big country. The weather is usually warm and it rains a lot too. There are beautiful forests and mountains.
Wow, that sounds amazing. What about the people?
The people in my country are very friendly. We have many traditions and we have a very famous dish.
Oh, really? What kind of food?
People in my country love to eat rice and vegetables. It is delicious.
What about things to do?
You can visit many beautiful places in my country. There is a lot to see and do here. And there is a big festival every year. Music and dance are very important.
That sounds wonderful. Would you recommend visiting?
Yes, my country is a great place to travel. The food, the people, and the nature are all wonderful. I love my country and I am happy to share it with you.
Sarah, that was perfect.
Wait, really?
Really? You used sentences from both sections. You connected them naturally. That was a real conversation.
Wow, I didn't even realize I was doing it.
That is the goal. When you practice enough, the sentences come out naturally, without thinking too hard.
Without thinking too hard. I like that.
We learned so many sentences today, and they are all simple. Anyone can use them.
That is right. These sentences work for everyone. You can start with 3 sentences and slowly add more.
Start small, then grow. Exactly. Language learning is not a race. It is a journey.
A journey. I like that. Just like traveling to a new country.
Well said, Sarah. Well said.
So, listener, next time someone asks you, tell me about your country,
You will have the words,
you will have the sentences.
and you will speak with confidence.
With confidence.
Thank you for joining us today on English Ignited. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember,
Every sentence you say is one step forward.
take care, everyone.